All right, what's happening, YouTube? I hope you guys are doing well. I got a video today. I want to talk about something. I get a handful of messages every month from people that say, why don't you review more niche fragrances? Why do you always talk about cheapies? Why do you always talk about clones? Look, if I spend $200 or $300 on a bottle of cologne, it dang well better blow me away. I get way more excited when I get a cheapie or an inspired by fragrance that I spent a fraction of the price on that blows me away than I would if I bought a Creed fragrance, which, to be honest, a lot of times isn't going to blow me away. Now, this is sacrilegious to some of you guys, but I'm of the opinion that a lot, if not, again, this might make some of you mad, most niche fragrances these days kind of aren't worth the money. A lot of them that I've tried, I've gotten decants and they smell good, but not $200, $300 good. Even like in even $100 and something dollars, a lot of fragrances. I'm a cheapskate. Even if I won the lottery, I would get more excited about hitting the rack stores and finding some hidden gem, or going to, like, for example, Sensual Obsessions or Making Sense or even Armaf or whoever, Lattafa. I would get more excited about getting one of those cheapies and having it blow me away for a great price. That's just how I am. Some people get excited about bragging that they own the real Creed Aventus that was handmade back in 7,000 years ago. Like, yeah, I get it. You have a bottle of cologne that's worth $1 bazillion. You know, that's cool, but I just get more excited about the bargains. I'm a cheapskate. I'm a scumbag, man. Don't you get it? I'm kidding, but that's the whole logic behind the way I think. And again, I hope that that doesn't turn a lot of you guys off. Niche fragrances are awesome. And like I said, I do get a lot of decants to niche houses. And I review, excuse me, I don't review them. I wear them, but I don't really review them because I'm not that excited. I'm not going to really make a video about, you know, like I said, Creed Aventus. Let's just use that generic topic. What is there to say about a bottle of cologne that costs hundreds of dollars? My enthusiasm for most Creed fragrance, in fact, no Creed fragrance that I've ever worn warrants the enthusiasm that exceeds the price. It's not going to happen, dude. And Mancera or, like I said, any other Bond Number 9, and I love a lot of Bond Number 9 fragrances, but honestly, the price tag exceeds my enthusiasm. My enthusiasm does not exceed the price tag. I'm sorry. Maybe that's just me. It's just how it is. The next video I'm going to be dropping is from Sensual Obsessions, Around the Corner. This is their take on Bond Number 9's Lafayette Street. I've had 2 decants of Bond Number 9's Lafayette Street, and I love that fragrance, but I've never bought a full bottle because it just kind of, in my opinion, it smells kind of like Dunhill Desire Red. Not exactly, but it's the same style fragrance. But that price tag on Bond Number 9's Lafayette Street, it's like $300 and some dollars. This did the trick for me for a long time for like 20 something bucks. It is what it is. Now I find Sensual Obsessions Around the Corner very good value. I'm not going to give away the video, but spoiler alert, I'm loving this stuff. I'm going to talk about it soon. I paid 23 bucks for this 15 milliliter decant. And I don't mean to put them on the spot in a good way or a bad way or anything, because that's not what the video is about. This is just sitting on my desk, and it happens to kind of fit the description of the video. So that's what I'm talking about. That's why I rant about these clone houses and these cheapies and stuff, because I get more excited, dude. I'm excited when I spend $23 and it blows me away. I'm not going to spend $300 and some dollars and have it smell. Yeah, it's pretty good, but I spent $300 and some dollars. Hope you guys understand. Let me know down below what you think. I hope the videos don't turn you guys off. If you are somebody that just loves someone talking about niche fragrances, I can, but I'm not going to be super excited. And I don't want to just put out videos that I'm not excited about. I hope you understand. Hey, man, drop me a like. It would be helping me out. Let YouTube know the video's worthwhile, the channel's worthwhile, and you think I should have a Ferrari. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I don't know why you haven't already, but you should. Until next time, guys, I'm going to leave you the way I always leave you. Take your vitamins, hit the gym. It's leg day for me, one of my 2 leg days per week. Always stay improving. That's very important, along with smelling good. God bless. Be well. Until next time, I'm out.